Hi everyone, I have a project share for you today. I have this outgoing loaded envelope that I wanted to share before I package it out. Before I get into the loaded envelope, I'm just going to show you these telephone and bellies that I created using this jelly bean soup die set. I didn't use the stamp, but I did use the the dies in the set, and I love the way that they came out. I just layered it up, used different layers and circle dies in my stash, and I cut the cord out of purple glitter foam, and I love the way that these came out. I'm also including, I've been loving doing this, is just like sharing a whole bunch of my die cuts, stickers, stuff in my stash that I know that my pal would appreciate. And then I have this loaded envelope that I created. I'll link the description to the tutorial that I use below. And I love making these. This is actually my second one that I've made, and I think it's a great way to send and transport your goodies that you're going to send to your pal. So I'm just going to zoom in just to go over the details. In this little front pocket here, I used this beautiful purple trim that I had, and then I just attached these little glitter spiders. And the front, I have this Hocus Pocus chipboard sticker, and I use some foam flowers that I had. In this first little pocket here, I did lay this die that I have, this die cut that I used one of my dies in my stash, and it kind of gave it that spooky scenery vibe as soon as you take these out. So in this pocket, I have these flowers that I created. I used different felts and glitter foams, and then I just embellished it with these cute Michael stickers. I love that the way that these came out. And here's my memory dex card. I'm just going to open this up for you guys. So I really haven't created that many memory dex cards, and I finally got a punch. So it's been helpful to create different kinds of memory dex cards because it's easy to punch. So I actually have this Lawn Fawn Woodland Critters die set, and I thought I'd try it. I don't know. I'm not sure if this qualifies as a memory dex card, but I said why not. So I did put a little Velcro on the hands. If you open them up, he's holding a little heart that says trick or treat. And I thought it was a different way to embellish and create a a memory dex card, and I hope my pal likes it. So that's that. Okay. In this next pocket, I've been loving giving these pumpkin straws to people. I mean, who doesn't love a good plastic straw? And I have several things in this pocket as well. I also have this black tassel trim that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I thought it really gave it that little spookiness. I included this shaker tag in her package, and it says happy haunting. Just do some fun sequins and the spooky pastel collection. I also created this boo banner. And they came out super cute, little stitching on top. And in this big pocket here, oops. So I've included some goodies to share with my friend. I have these Rosette Awards that I've been really obsessed with this year. I used some, what is this trim? Eyelash trim. And layered it up and just popped it up into different layers, a lot of foam. I decorated the top with some Hobby Lobby trim, this ghosty that I love, and the other Hobby Lobby trim. Here is a pack of ghosties that I created and layered up. And here's my other memory index card. So I have a Sizzix cupcake die, and it's actually a card. And I thought that I could use this and create a memory index card out of this. I don't know. I've been trying to do different shapes, and I thought that this was cute. I just decorated the top with a witch die cut that I have in my stash, and yeah, that's basically it. This is the tassel that I created. So Hobby Lobby trim, I have a little black and white trim, I have this cute little leaf trim, some star trim that I got from Allie, and just a bunch of different pearls and stuff that I have in my stash. The back, I just decorated really simply. I just put a black spider doily on the back. I have this fun alley die. This die cut was given to me by my friend Tony, who's Craft Purge on Instagram and YouTube. And yeah, it's pretty simple on the back. And that is it for my loaded envelope project share. I hope all of you enjoyed. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll link some details down below for you to find some of the stuff that I used in my stash. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.